Intro.
There it is. That's it.
Welcome to the very first episode of SevOps. Short, educational
Video.
I'm Aaron Bewley. You can find me on Twitter at Aaron Bewley.
I'm Russ Cantwell. You can find me on Twitter at rcantwell. The E is a 3.
I'm Tyler Gates. You can find me on Twitter at tsgates_. I know, right?
I'm Ron Burgundy.
Today we're talking about storage efficiency on all-flash VSAN 6.2.
Dedupe.
Compression.
Erasure coding.
And sparse swap files, guys.
Wait, seriously, sparse swap files?
No, we ain't gonna talk about that, but it does have them and they are helpful.
So let's start with deduplication. Hit me with the facts, guys.
So deduplication is the elimination of redundant data. In VSAN 6.2, it happens per disk group, and we refer to this as nearline deduplication.
Nearline, because it's not truly inline or post-process.
Yes, because it sits inside of a mirrored cache. We refer to this as the write buffer, and it isn't dedupe until it destages down to the disks.
Hashtag write cache.
Data blocks are kept in the cache tier while it is hot for optimal performance.
And as soon as it's cold, ice cold, it's destaged to the capacity tier.
That's when VSAN does the dedupe process.
Dude, look at that bike.
It's
You even
magic.
care about dedupe, bro?
It's magic! And it's implemented after write acknowledgement to minimize impact to performance.
It's hyper fast.
We don't like slow. Nobody likes slow. Nobody likes that.
It's great for workloads like VDI and homogeneous server operating systems.
Yeah, it is!
And what's that? Like a 64K block size?
Nah, dude, it's 4K.
It uses a SHA-1 hash to create a fingerprint for unique data blocks.
Boom! Shakalaka! Just like Space Jam! So if it already exists, there's no need to store another block again.
It's like Highlander for data. There can be only one.
Captain VSAN!
Boom, space saved.
Woo!
Space saver!
We scream a lot.
Like a Ziploc.
I don't know why, but it's fun.
So we're talking compression too, right?
Oh, so you want to know what the whole I/O path is, like a baller?
It's straight dedupe.
Then compression.
And soon to be data at rest encryption.
So guys, right after the block is deduped, we leverage intelligent compression.
Russ, don't just say intelligent compression. You gotta tell them what it is, dog.
That means taking a 4K block down to 2K or less.
Otherwise, we just send it along and keep pushing mad sick IOPS. And what kind of compression algorithm?
LZ4.
Swag. That's the only way this operates.
All right, all right, all right. Let's bring in that erasure coding.
You know what traditional RAID is, right, bro? It's like RAID, but it's across the nodes.
So specifically in VSAN, we're talking about RAID 5 and RAID 6 erasure coding. Only with this technology, we're talking about controlling RAID through the software using storage policy-based management, yo.
That's smart.
All right, man, do I have any alternatives to erasure coding?
Yeah, dude, you got mirroring like a boss.
But you lose half your capacity right out the gate though, right?
Yeah, but there are use cases for it.
So yeah, there are performance applications for mirroring. Certain workloads can really benefit, such as OLTP transactional workloads.
That's legit, and you have the option to turn it on and off per VM.
With storage policy-based management, man.
It should be policy-based storage management.
With storage policy-based storage management policies.
Policy-based storage management.
You manage the
It's
policies
storage-based policy.
With the storage.
You manage the policies.
You
with
do the
storage.
storage management with policies
What?
on top of...
No. It's management-based storage policies.
Yeah, that's right.
That's it.
Yeah.
That's the one.
So what is this storage policy-based management thing that everyone's so excited about?
SPBM is the piece that brings this beautiful thing we call VSAN together. This allows granular management of protection levels.
Like erasure coding and mirroring on the fly.
This is like changing the variable valve timing on an engine while it's running.
Try doing that on a traditional array after it's been designed and built.
Can't do it.
So you have workloads that need different levels of protection?
Set mirroring on your databases for performance.
Or RAID 5, RAID 6 on general workloads.
Like a boss.
All right, that about sums up all the high points for storage efficiency with VSAN 6.2. Thanks for joining us today.
This is Russ.
Tyler.
And Aaron signing off.
Hashtag Sev1. Did I make high transaction OLTP not boring?
You made it offensive.
Yeah.
Like, I am
Super
scared
aggressive.
about other people's businesses now.
Should I, well, because I designed so many systems around that workload, or?
Yeah, let's